Hay fever, it's an allergy to pollen in the air, it bothers me. My nose runs wild, my eyes get red. In spring and summer, I feel it in my head. Hay fever makes me sneeze and itch. My eyes get watery, I scratch that itch. It's that time of year when flowers bloom. Hay fever comes, fill up the room. Sneeze, oh sneeze, when it tickles my nose. Out comes the air, it suddenly blows. Achoo, achoo, the sneeze goes loud when dust or pepper is around. Sneeze, oh sneeze, when it comes you'll know. It clears the air, then away you go. Achoo, achoo, what a funny sound. It means something's in the air around. Asthma, asthma, it's hard to breathe. Airways narrow, it makes you heave. Cold air or dust can make it start. Keep that inhaler close to your heart. Asthma makes you wheeze and puff. Sometimes breathing can be tough, but with some care you'll be alright. Just take it easy day and night. Hay fever, sneeze and asthma too. Now you know what they can do. Learn these words, sing this song. With every note your English grows strong.